Good afternoon. Today we are going to learn zeros of a polynomial. Consider a polynomial p of x equal to 5x cube minus 2x square plus 3x minus 2. If we replace x by 1, we get p of 1 equal to, in the place of x apply 1. 5 into 1 cube minus 2 into 1 square plus 3 into 1 minus 2, which is equal to 5 into 1 cube is 5 minus 2 into 1 square is 2 plus 3 into 1 is 3 minus 2, which is equal to 5 plus 3 is 8 minus 2 minus 2, so minus 4. So here the answer is 4. P of 1 is equal to 4. So we can say that the value of P of x is 4 at x equal to 1. When x is equal to 1, the value of P of x is 4. Now, I'll write one more polynomial. P of x is equal to the same one I am writing here, 5x cube minus 2x square plus 3x minus 2. Now I am going to apply the value of x as 0. So P of 0 equal to, here 5 into 0 cube minus 2 into 0 cube 0 square plus 3 into 0 minus 2, which is equal to any number into 0 is 0, minus here also 0, plus 3 into 0, 0, minus 2. So P of 0 equal to minus 2. So here we can say that the value of P of x is minus 2 at x is equal to 0. Example 2. Find the value of each of the following polynomials at the indicated value of the variables. First one, P of x is equal to 5x square minus 3x plus 7 at x equal to 1. Here we have to apply the value of x as 1. So P of 1 is equal to 5 into 1 square minus 3 into 1 plus 7, which is equal to 5 into 1 square is 5 minus 3 into 1 3 plus 7, which is equal to 5 plus 7 is 12, 12 minus 3. So P of 1 is equal to 12 minus 3 is 9. So P of 1 is equal to 9. Second polynomial, Q of y is equal to 3y cube minus 4y plus root 11 at y is equal to 2. Here we have to apply the value of y as 2. So Q of 2 equal to 3 into, in the place of y we have to apply 2 cube minus 4 into 2 plus root 11, which is equal to 3 into 2 cube. 2 cube is 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. 8 minus 4 2s are 8 plus root 11, which is equal to 8 3s are 24 minus 8 plus root 11. Now 24 minus 8 is 16 plus root 11. So here the value of Q of 2 is 16 plus root 11. Third polynomial, P of t equal to 4t power 4 plus 5t cube minus t square plus 6 at t equal to a. So we have to find the value of P of t at t is equal to a. In the place of t, apply the value a. So P of A equal to 4 into A power 4 plus 5 into A cube minus A square plus 6, which is equal to 4A square, A power 4 plus 5A cube minus A square plus 6. Furthermore, we can't solve this one. So this is the answer for P of A. Now, consider the polynomial P of x as x minus 1. Now, I am going to give the value of x as 1. So, you will get P of 1 equal to, in the place of x we have to apply 1. So, 1 minus 1. P of 1 is equal to 0. So, here we got the value as 0. So, we can say that 1, the applied value here is 1. So, 1 is the 0 of the polynomial P of x. 1 is the 0 of the polynomial P of x. One more polynomial, I am taking it as Q of x. Q of x is equal to x minus 2. So, in this polynomial, what is the 0 of this polynomial? We can guess that because if we apply 2 here, we will get 2 minus 2 is 0. So, the 0 of this polynomial is 2. Q of 2 equal to 2 minus 2, which is equal to 0. Q of 2 is 0. So, we got 0 when the value of x is 2. So, 2 is the 0 of this polynomial Q of x. Now, see this. The 0 of the polynomial is obtained by equating the polynomials to 0. Now, see the first one. Equate this polynomial to 0. X minus 1 is equal to 0. So, x equal to 1. So, this is the 0 of the polynomial. Similarly, this also x minus 2 equal to 0. First, equate the polynomial to 0. So, x is equal to 2. So, this is the 0 of the polynomial Q of x here. So, 0 of the polynomial is obtained by equating it to 0. 0 of the polynomial is otherwise called as root of the polynomial. Root of the polynomial. Both are same, root of the polynomial and 0 of the polynomial. Here 1 is the root of the polynomial P of x. Here 2 is the root of the polynomial Q of x. Now 5 is the constant polynomial. Can you tell me what is the 0 of this? 5 can be written as 5 into x power 0. So, if you replace this x power 0 by any number, still it gives this constant only. So, it has no 0 because replacing x by any number in this 5x power 0 still gives 5 only. So, it has no 0. In general, a non-zero constant polynomial has no zeros. Example 3. Check whether minus 2 and 2 are zeros of the polynomial x plus 2. So, first let's take this polynomial as P of x. Let P of x is equal to x plus 2. We have to check whether minus 2 and 2 are the zeros of this polynomial. So, first apply in the place of x minus 2. So, P of minus 2 equal to minus 2 plus 2, which is equal to 0. So, we got P of minus 2 equal to 0. Therefore, minus 2 is a 0 of the polynomial P of x. Now check the next one. P of x is x plus 2. We have to apply the value of x as 2. So P of 2 equal to 2 plus 2, which is equal to 2 plus 2 is 4. So we got the value of P of 2 as 4. So 2 is not a 0 of the polynomial P of x. So here in this question, minus 2 is a 0 of the polynomial, but 2 is not a 0 of the polynomial.